Linking your bank account to Pinterest can help you manage your advertising budget and make purchases directly through the platform. Follow these steps to connect your bank account. Step 1. Open Pinterest settings. Log into your Pinterest account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments or Billing section. Click on it to find options related to adding or managing payment methods. Step 3. Add a payment method. Choose the option to add a new payment method. You will typically see options for credit/debit cards and bank accounts. Select the option to link a bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Fill in the required information for your bank account, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account details, review the information and confirm it. Save the changes to ensure your bank account is linked successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Pinterest account, allowing for easy management of your transactions.